That's the arrival of the that's the first Enugu flight, Enugu Air. Share this video, let it go viral. It's landing now. You can see it. Confirm. Our tomorrow is here. Enugu Air has landed officially. Where's the line? Don't pass that line. Don't pass that line. Okay, just okay. Sorry. Enugu Air has landed the Akanu Ibiam International Airport. Enugu. Make sure you share this video viral. This is life, oh. This is life, oh. That's Enugu Air has arrived at Akanu Ibiam International Airport. Congratulations to Enugu. You can see it's coming. Congratulations to Enugu. Congratulations to Enugu. Sir, please, sir, please. Congratulations to Enugu. Enugu Air is here.
Oh, yeah, let's go now.
Share this video, let others see.
Go back.
where you're joining us from, and congratulations to you. Tell us where you're joining us and tell us where you are. Make sure you share this video. Let it go viral. Congratulations to Enugu. His Excellency Governor Peter Ndubisi Mbah has done it. It's a reality. It's not a joke. 3 aircrafts.
Mr. Festus Ibiam, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, the Speaker of Enugu State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Uche Ugu, the Senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the House of Rep members represented here, the House of Assembly, Isa, the MD of PAN, Mrs. Olabumi Koko, the DG of Civil Aviation, Captain Chris Najomo, the MD and CEO of Panama, Engineer Farouk Ahmed, the MD and CEO of Fidelity Bank, our financial partner, thank you very much. Welcome, Dr. Nek Onyali, the Bishop of Enugu Diocese, Most Reverend Callisto Sonaga, and other dignitaries here. Permit me to stand on existing protocol. In the first 2 weeks of my joining this administration, I had a rare privilege of sitting with His Excellency, our courageous and visionary powerhouse, Governor Dr. Mbah, to discuss his vision for transportation and logistics sector in Enugu State. During that meeting, he asked me, is there anything wrong or difficult in becoming like Dubai or Singapore in terms of transportation and logistics? I remember saying, no, sir. He now followed up. Then why does it seem like we can't build things in a world-class manner? So, I responded honestly and said, I don't know, sir, but I believe we can. And then in that moment, His Excellency made it clear that this administration will not settle for average. He laid out the transformational roadmap for Enugu State transportation and logistics future. He spoke with profound clarity and conviction about what he wanted to achieve: a truly modern, multimodal transportation system from land to air to rail to waterways. He spoke of building 10,000 kilometers of new roads to support this vision, introducing electric and CNG-powered buses and cars, creating logistics hubs, reviving inland container depots, and launching an airline that will redefine connectivity and reposition the state as a global gateway. He said unequivocally, I want Enugu to become the Dubai of Africa. I want to build a transportation system that powers everything we plan to do, from trade and commerce, tourism, bringing over 3 million visitors annually, and growing our economy from current $4.4 billion to $30 billion and beyond. A system driven by infrastructure, access, and innovation. His Excellency didn't just articulate this vision, he stayed the course, backed it with policies, resources, accountability, and most importantly, he rolled his sleeves with his personal involvement and belief. Typically of a man relentless pursuit of excellence, he gave us a clear mandate and tasked us to translate that bold dream into a reality. And today, we gather here to witness one of the major outcomes of that vision, the launch of Enugu Air Project, operated by Exigence.
Carigo, Peter Mbah, Carigo, Peter Mbah, Carigo.
This is what it means when we say in Enugu State that tomorrow is here. Enugu does not need to wait for the future. The future is here with us. Your Excellency, sir, thank you for dreaming so boldly and backing your vision with action. Thank you for your leadership and guidance. which has shown all of us that the bar can be raised, and indeed must be raised. To our valued project partners, we extend our deepest appreciation on the team of ExeJet, our airline operator. Thank you for your technical expertise, professionalism, and belief in this vision. The Honorable Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development, we thank you. The MD has supported His Excellency throughout this process. To the dignitaries and friends of Enugu, once again, welcome you. None. Thank you and God bless you.
Enugu, we are going higher, yes we are. We are going higher somewhere.
Thank you.
We are going higher, yes we are. Going with Jesus to stay.
Also, you have time to greet His Excellency. Thank you. Thank you, Your Excellency. We shall now call on the operators of Enugu Air, ExeJet. The Chief Executive Officer of ExeJet Company, Mr. Emmanuel Ayuba Izar, will now deliver his remarks on this auspicious occasion where we are launching of Enugu Air at the international wing of Akanu Ibiam Airport in Enugu. Thank you, sir, for coming, and thank you for your efforts in this day.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Enugu State, Barrister Dr. Peter Mbah, Honorable Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development, Honorable Festus Kiam-san, the Director General of the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, Captain Chris Najamo, the MD CEO of Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria, Ms. Olubunmi Kuka, the Managing Director of NAMA, Engineer Ahmed Farouk, our royal fathers here, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today we are not launching an airline. We are launching a bold dream, rooted in identity, driven by excellence, and powered by the people of Enugu.